Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the third position, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really tap on them. All we have to do is what I've just accidentally did, is to turn off those switchers, because thanks to them we are using a network provided time and the time zone. So by turning them off we can unlock those options. So let's freely tap on date, and from this calendar we can manually pick the date, for example this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just pick it from the clock, tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar. Let's change the time zone because we can also do it. Tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions. Of course you can scroll or type the name of the region and simply tap on it after finding. As you can see it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Here we can also customize the time format, so currently we are using 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, so it's up to you. So basically this is the whole customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.